My Easter basket is beautiful. Hey Princess Squad, it's T here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a DIY jumbo Easter baskets because sometimes you want to fill up a basket with all these goodies, but it just doesn't fit inside those small ones. So we're going to make a jumbo size one with items from Dollar Tree. We need a jumbo basket, it's a laundry basket by the way, some Hot Wheel tracks, some zip ties, mesh tubes, and ribbons or mesh. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. If you don't have any, you can pick some up at the Dollar Tree also. But all these items are from Dollar Tree, and I know sadly they're not $1 anymore, they're $1.25, but you know, it's still a very, very cheap price to pay for a jumbo Easter basket. First things first, these Hot Wheel tracks are going to be your handle for your basket, but it's orange, and so we are going to wrap it with our mesh ribbon. You can use the mesh kind, or you can use our actual regular ribbon. Okay, so now we are going to connect these Hot Wheel tracks together. Let's see if I know how to do that. So we're just gonna take our little piece here, and we're gonna slide one piece in like so. It snaps, and you're going to slide the other piece in, and it snaps. So you have a connected Hot Wheel track. So now that our Hot Wheel track is together, we're gonna take our mesh piece, and I'm going to use a piece of tape to tape it right here, and then wrap it around. What I'm trying to do is hide the orange color, so it might be better to use a regular piece of ribbon instead of the mesh, but I was trying to keep the material consistent. You'll see what I mean later. You should end up with something like this. We're gonna take our zip ties, and we are going to zip tie it to the basket. Now the basket, the laundry basket has two handles right here, so this is what we're gonna use for the side. We're just gonna put our Hot Wheel track, see, can't even tell anymore, on here like so. I mean, already, doesn't it look like an Easter basket? I love it. But our laundry basket has 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna put the handle up like this so that it is a good level. And the key is to put a zip tie here and here. So 2 different zip ties so it secures and so it won't wiggle. So I have my zip tie, and it's kind of hard because you have to do it on the inside. Like I said, we have one on. We have one on the bottom of this line here. We're gonna do one on top so it's secured. So I'm gonna take my zip tie. 4, 3, look. Now it's secure, we're just going to cut it. Okay, and then we're going to do the other side. We're gonna end up with something like this, and the handle doesn't come off, you guys. I love it. So next, we are going to take this mesh, and we're gonna weave it in and out of each of these little crevices right here, just to kind of add some color to this basket. So I fold the mesh in half, and we're gonna do every 2 windows. So 1, 2, I'm gonna pull it out. 1, 2, weave it in. Gonna end up with something like this, but I kind of like color for Easter, all that pastel color. So we're gonna add purple mesh here and here in between the blues. So we have something like this. And you guys know that an Easter basket is not complete without Easter grass. So we got some of these tube mesh, and they fluff up amazingly. So I'm just gonna make a mess and then fill my Easter basket up with Easter grass. My Easter basket is beautiful. I love it, but it's missing a bow or ribbon right here. Oh my gosh, I am in love. Time to load it with all of my trinkets. Okay, we got all these goodies to load into our Easter basket, but you guys know which one is my favorite item. These Peeps Bunny. It's not Easter without Peeps Bunnies, you guys. And this one is like one of my favorite colors. It's almost Tiffany blue, close to it, not exactly, but it'll do. So I'm just gonna put this in the center back and just load up the rest of the items. And one of the other items that I do like is this bunny popper that I got from Walmart. I mean, listen. Love it! We're just gonna put the bigger items, I feel like, on here, and then we'll load it with the smaller items. I am in love with this Easter basket. It is aesthetically pleasing with all of the fidget toys and Easter items in here, like the Peace Bunny. This is a good gift for anybody. I think everyone will love it, especially all the ASMR from the fidgets. I love, love, love it. Anyways, follow us on our TikTok and our Instagram at PrincessSquad.Official for more fidgets and DIY. And always remember to dream big, have fun, and